Nature. Nature refers to the physical world and everything in it that exists without human intervention, including plants, animals, landscapes, and natural phenomena. It plays a vital role in sustaining life on Earth by providing essential resources such as air, water, and food. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, including all living organisms such as plants, animals, and microorganisms, as well as the ecosystem they form. An ecosystem is a dynamic and self regulating system comprising a community of living organisms and their interactions with the abiotic components of the environment. It encompasses complex interrelationship through which energy flows and nutrient cycle, sustaining life processes and ecological balance. Nature conservation efforts involve protecting and preserving natural resources such as forests, water, and wildlife. These efforts include planting trees, reducing pollution, and using resources sustainably. Conservation also focuses on safeguarding biodiversity and maintaining ecological balance. By adopting responsible practices, humans can ensure a healthy environment for future generations. Climate change significantly disrupts nature by altering temperatures, rainfall patterns, and seasonal cycles. These changes can damage ecosystems, making it difficult for plants and animals to survive in their natural habitats. Rising temperatures also lead to melting glaciers and increasing sea levels, which threaten coastal environments and biodiversity. Overall, climate change weakens ecological balance and endangers the variety of life on Earth. Nature resources are essential for sustaining life, as they provide air, water, food, and energy. They support economic development by supplying raw materials for industries and agriculture. Without natural resources, survival and progress would not be possible. Activities such as deforestation, pollution, urbanization, and overuse of natural resources disturb ecological balance and destroy habitats. This leads to loss of biodiversity, climate change, and depletion of essential resources like clean water and fertile soil. Overall, human actions can significantly harm nature if not managed responsibly. Wildlife conservation involves safeguarding animal species and preserving their natural habitats from destruction and exploitation. It includes enforcing anti poaching laws, establishing protected reservoirs, and promoting habitat restoration. A major call to action for nature is to adopt sustainable practices such as reducing pollution, conserving resources, and planting trees. We must collectively protect ecosystems and biodiversity to ensure a healthy and balanced environment for future generations. Thank you.